things that I wish I knew or I wish I did before starting my YouTube channel. Let's have fun. Ask me questions. I just feel like nobody really cares. Here are a few things that can help you. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Lydia Medicine. If you are new here, thank you for clicking my thumbnail. If you are not, welcome again. Welcome back to our channel, our community. Yeah, do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's have fun. Ask me questions, drop your opinions. Today, from the title of this video, you can already see that we're going to be talking about things that I wish I knew or I wish I did before starting my YouTube channel. I know that this video is going to help somebody because every day today everybody is starting a YouTube channel or has started a YouTube channel or is thinking of starting a YouTube channel. So here are a few things that can help you. The first one will be, and I think I fell a victim of this one. I'm not going to call it victim, but I think I knew, but I did it anyway. So the first thing is that I won't do my get to know me first, because honestly, you are a new YouTuber, you're somebody that is new. I just feel like nobody really cares. The only people that watch get to know me videos are people that want to do their own videos, people that have watched you and they want to get some information about you, people that, honestly, those are the two people that watch get to know me videos. I know that there are so many people that watch me right now and they have not even watched my get to know me videos. They just pick up things from my vlogs, what I say in my videos, and they take it as, hey, this is who she is, this is who she says she is. So that's that. And at the end of the day, you find that when you go back to your video, that your get to know me video 3 years, because I'm going to be 2 years on YouTube. When you go and watch that video, it will be so cringe, and you find out that you're not that person that you were 2 years ago. So the next thing that I would do is show your personality undiluted. YouTube is a platform where even if you are not showing your face, because there are some channels that do not have their faces on their videos, but when you watch the videos, maybe they use voiceovers, or not those computerized voiceovers, like their real voices, you will just feel like there's this channel that I watch. It is not a it doesn't have a face to it. Every time I watch that channel, I just feel there's this kind of vibe. I feel the guy's voice is very soothing, so I already know his voice, and I know that even if I don't look at the name of the person that is, like, the name of the channel, I would know that, okay, this is the channel that I'm watching. So you want to show your personality undiluted. Do not be shy. Do not try to copy somebody else. That's one will even kill you. And just be patient with yourself. And I think that brings me to the next point. Be patient with yourself, because at the end of the day, you see that the pressure to be on camera, you, after watching maybe people's videos on YouTube, you want to like pick up things from here and there, and it's not bad to pick up things, but do not allow that to now be like that is who you are. So that's why you want your personality to shine. And one of the reasons why I said you should be patient is because at the end of the day, your personality will start to shine through, but you have to be conscious of it, that okay, I want my personality to shine through. I want people to see me for who I am, undiluted. Once the camera is on like this, we tend to, as human beings generally, we tend to start acting. Yeah, that's what I'll call it, acting. Let me just talk about patience a little bit. Nobody knows you. Your channel might take a long time to grow. Not everybody is adulting. Not everybody is going to have time to watch your videos at that set time. Not all your family and your friends are just going to rush to your channel the first day you open it, or the first month you open it, and just start watching it. So just be patient with yourself. Everything is going to fall into place at the end of the day, and with your personality shining through, you are going to get more views from even people that you don't know. People that watch my channel more are people that I do not know. Just like I'm about to say, if you are not subscribed, subscribe to this channel now, because you guys just come to this channel, watch and leave. So subscribe. My analytics says that the people that watch my channel, most of the people that watch my channel are not subscribed. So subscribe. Yeah. Moving on to the next point is having 50 to 100 video ideas that you can use for your YouTube channel. Because trust me, if you say you want to be uploading every week, or you want to be uploading 2 times a week, before you know it's 2 times a week, before you know it is already a week. So you want to have these videos noted down. You also want to have them scripted and edited, scheduled. There's a place you can schedule your video on YouTube. You schedule your videos before the appointed time so that it will not become a hassle for you, because trust me, YouTube is a full-time job. Do not get it wrong. YouTube is a full-time job. Like, before you know, like, hey, before you know it is bi-weekly already, before you know it is already your weekly day to post again. So you want to have these noted down. Another point is not niching down in your first 50 to 100 videos. I mean, I'm about video 115 or 13 or so, and I have not even niched down. I don't think that I would ever be. I mean, I do a bit of beauty, a bit of lifestyle, a bit of this and that and that and that. But if you see me posting a video on like any kind of video, just watch it please, because we don't know what will do well here. But just be careful to not, when you are not trying to niche down, just be careful to not do just any kind of video. Make sure that these videos you are doing resonates with your personality, so that people that watch you and people that subscribe eventually would always feel like they know you. The next step is taking research seriously. You want to take research seriously, because trust me, there are a lot of things on YouTube here that even I don't think I know about, maybe because I've not gotten to that stage, but you want to research. Take your research seriously. When I wanted to start YouTube, that's the kind of person I am. I do not like anything to, like, I do not like any pin unturned. I watched over 100 videos. Like, I was just opening tabs. I wanted to know the nitty-gritty of YouTube, how YouTube works. And this doesn't go to say that even when you started you should not keep on researching, because you need to know what is up. And I love YouTube for that, because they are constantly updating you in your email, in your notification, in your YouTube studio. They are currently telling you, okay, this is what's going on, this is what's going on, this is what's going on. And this brings me to my next point, that whenever YouTube drops a new feature, hug it. That is the love of your life, because that is what can help you. There's a babe that I know, she blew up from YouTube Shorts. She just posted one short, and on that short she has about over 600k views, and her channel, she started getting subscribers, and that's how her channel just took off for the better. Anytime YouTube drops a new feature, that is your friend. That is your friend. Go. Hug it, use it, milk it, drain it. They've not dropped anything new recently, so I'm just hunting, I'm looking, I'm watching for them. The next point is invest your money, and it also goes hand in hand with the point that says start as soon as you can. People will say that I've always wanted to start YouTube, I've always wanted to start YouTube. Just start. If you know that you already have this in your head that you want to start saving up money so that you can invest in your craft. Just bear in mind that YouTube might not pay you, your channel might not take off, your channel might not get monetized in the first 1 year, 2 years. I mean, I'll be 2 years in June and I'm not yet monetized. Before you say you want to start your YouTube channel, what you are thinking about, to just start saving money so you can invest, because they will say that start with anything you have, just start with anything you have. I know that it's important to start with anything you have, and it's a good idea, but nobody wants to watch a blurry video, nobody wants to watch low quality videos. You don't need to like go ham or anything and buy a camera, but just make sure you have a good phone camera. Make sure your camera is always clean, make sure that the camera quality is good. So that's why you need to get a new phone. If you know that the phone that you are using now is not all that great, that when you post videos people can see you clearly, or people can't enjoy the quality, because even for someone like me, I'm going to click out of your video. Let me just if your video is not clear and I'm trying to get an information, I'm just trying to watch something that would entertain me and it's not clear, I mean it's not pleasing to the eyes. So save your money to invest in a good phone camera if you cannot afford a camera, or even with lights, you can film with natural light if you cannot afford to buy like all the whole light setup and all of that for now. So just make sure that your camera quality is crisp. That is the only way that you would get viewers to stay on your channel. So another thing that I tried to do, or I struggled with doing, or even didn't do at all, was checking my analytics. Like, it was a struggle for me because honestly YouTube is crazy. YouTube is not Instagram, YouTube is not TikTok. Their analytics page with your YouTube studio is cumbersome. That's what I say. There's so many English, there's so many nitty-gritties, there's so many details there. So I did not honestly understand a few things. So when you check your analytics is very good. When you check your analytics, you know what is working for you, which videos are doing very well, what time you're supposed to be posting, that your viewers are online. Because when you post, the first few, I think 1 hour, maybe the first day or something, is a very good time for a lot of people to watch, because once a lot of people watch, YouTube will push your content to other people to watch, because they see that so many people are enjoying your content, and it's always good for them to watch to the end of the videos. People clicking out of a video is not a good sign for YouTube. YouTube will eventually now feel like, the algorithm will feel like other people are not enjoying your videos, so other people will not enjoy them, so they won't push them out as much. So when you read your analytics, you study your analytics, you will know that okay, this is what's working for me, this is where my video is dipping, this is where my video is spiking. It's just going to, at the end of the day, help you to improve your channel better. Studying your analytics would help you understand which thumbnails are doing good, which style of thumbnails are doing very well, which titles are doing very well. The next thing is, and I've spoken about this before, is having patience. Even after doing all these things and so many other things I haven't spoken about in this video, even after doing all of this, you might not necessarily just take off in 1 year or 2 years. I heard somebody say on YouTube here that even at 8 years, that's when she took off on YouTube. She had patience. Honestly, I don't think that I have that kind of patience, but just take it one day at a time. Have patience. Be patient with your channel. Be patient with yourself. There are some days YouTube is I'm not going to call it hard because I don't want to speak negative or anything, but the process, YouTube is a process, it's a life process. That's what I'll call it. It's something that will test your patience, will test your discipline, because you have to show up even when you are not seeing results, but you don't know the video that is going to take off. Be patient with yourself. I know that I have not mentioned everything in this video that I wish I knew, and maybe I'm going to do a second part. I'm going to do something else that would help you guys on your YouTube journey. So if you are starting your YouTube channel, if you have started your YouTube channel or you want to start your YouTube channel, click the subscribe button so you can see when I drop the next set of videos talking about what can help you start your YouTube channel and the things that I'm doing, the things that I have done that has helped me to get here. Because honestly, I feel like my growth has been fast. Not like fast, but for some people that have started even before I started, I am either on the same level as them or I have surpassed them. So I would say I'm not comparing myself with anybody, but I'm just using it as a yardstick to say that I am growing quickly in a way, in a sense. Yeah, so that is it for today's video. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, leave other tips in the comment section that can help other people that want to start their YouTube channel, that have started their YouTube channel. I see you on my next one.
Into my brown eyes, see my little ways can make you switch sides. You never know the devil in a disguise, so why don't you stand up, baby? Yeah. Tell me, do you